Best egg yolk face mask for all skin types. What makes egg yolk beneficial for skin? Egg yolk is made up of mostly water and fats, which makes it a great water binding agent that locks moisture into your skin cells, leaving your face soft and supple. Egg yolk face masks work wonders for people with dry or flaky skin. The nutrients in egg yolks work to hydrate, nourish, and moisturize dull skin. These are the key nutrients in egg yolks, which makes them great for skin. Vitamin A. This vitamin is extremely useful and beneficial for the skin, because it heals dry, flaky, and itchy skin. Vitamin B2, this vitamin helps to protect the cells from free radicals. Vitamin B3, it's extremely useful against inflammatory skin conditions. Zinc, this mineral slows down the aging process. You should also know that zinc is extremely useful in treating acne and pimples. A recent study, published in the British Journal of Dermatology, has discovered that patients with acne vulgaris had lower mean serum concentrations of retinol. Because egg yolks are rich in vitamin A, applying an egg yolk face mask can help get rid of acne. You should know that this egg yolk face mask is easy, nourishing, soothing, and hydrating for the skin. It will moisturize your skin and leave it feeling fresh, clean, and soft to touch. And the best thing about this facial mask is that it's very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, for dry skin, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, for greasy skin. Directions. First, you need to mix the egg yolk with the yogurt. Mix them well and add the olive oil, if your skin is dry, or, you should add the lemon juice, if your skin is greasy. Mix them well, until you get a paste mixture. You need to apply this face mask on your face using clean fingertips, using circular upward motions. You need to apply one layer of this face mask and then you need to wait for 5 minutes. After that, you need to apply the second layer of this face mask and wait for additional 5 minutes. And again, after 5 minutes repeat the same procedure for the third layer. After that, you need to rinse the mask off with warm water and pat dry with a towel. Enjoy the soft, supple feel of your skin. This egg yolk face mask will hydrate and moisturize your dry skin and nourish it with multivitamins and healthy fats. Note, you should gather all your hair away from your and secure behind with a plastic rubber band. You can also wear a plastic shower cap to prevent the mixture from going in your hair. And, don't forget to wear an old t-shirt because this egg yolk face mask can drip and you don't want to get drops of egg yolk on your clothes. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.